Good morning, children. How are you all? Nowadays you are at home, but you are taking care of yourself, because in the live class I can see everyone's face. All are happy nowadays. But along with that, you are studying also very well, because whenever ma'am is asking something, you are giving quick answer that ma'am likes very much. Okay. So today we will do EVS, and in EVS we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 21, Up in the Sky. I can show you in the live class also. We have shown you this chapter. We have discussed many things about this chapter. So we will start this chapter once again. But before reading, if you do any activity that will be very good for you, you will like that one also, because whenever activity is connected with anything, that will be more creative also. Okay, so let us do. In the board you can see that many pictures are there. Whatever you see in the sky, that pictures man has drawn here, so that you can know and you can tell many things. In the live class you have discussed that the sun we see in the daytime. Why sun is needed? You have discussed with ma'am that sun gives us heat, light, and this heat and light is needed for us. Why? Because plants can make their food with the help of sunlight. Sunlight is needed. If sunlight is not there, plants cannot grow. It cannot give us food, that you have discussed with man, isn't it? If sun is not there, then everywhere will be darkened. Then what will happen? We cannot see without light anything. Now, sun is needed. It kills the insects. We fall ill if sun is not there. So, though sun gives us heat and light, it gives us warmth. Sun is needed for all of us, isn't it? The sun is one heavenly body which we can see in the daytime. Okay. Now, what other things we see in the night? In night time we can see moon. The moon also changes its shape. Sometimes we see crescent moon. Sometimes we see half moon. Sometimes we see full moon. Sometimes we see no moon at all. The shape of the moon is changing. Okay. Now we see stars, many stars. We cannot count the stars. That also we see in the night sky. Yes. Those shape of the stars are also very big, but they are far, far away from us. So that looks very small, isn't it? So stars we see at night. Except this thing, in rainy days we can see a rainbow which has 7 colors. In the live class I have discussed how to remember the names of the rainbow. That is Vibgyor. Vibgyor, V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. In your book, the rainbow is shown here, and from the below if you start, the sequence of Vibgyor you can see. Now, ma'am is giving you homework. You also have to draw sun, color it yellow. You have to also draw moon, color it as white, keep it as white. You have to draw stars, color it blue, and you have to draw here in your notebook rainbow also, and you have to color the 7 colors that Vibgyor, isn't it? That is your homework, and show me in the live class. Okay, so let us start the activity and draw the things that is called heavenly bodies also we see in the sky. This is activity in daytime. We can see sun in the sky. I have drawn here sun. Everybody knows how to draw. Draw a circle and then rays of the sun draw like this way. And you have to write about one sentence about sun. The sun have to write one sentence. Okay. Come to moon. Moon, or the shape of the moon is changing always. This you can write. Okay. The shape of the moon is always changing. The shape of the moon is always changing. This you can write about moon. Now stars. Stars twinkle at night. In the sky. One sentence, whatever we know about this heavenly body, we have to write. Here you can see, I have drawn rainbow, but I cannot color because this color chalk is not available with man. So man has written the color's name first word that you have learned with your. See, below one is B, that is for violet. Then I, that is indigo. Then B, that is blue. Then G, that is green. Y, that is yellow. O, orange, and R, red. This way you have to first draw, write the first letter of the color's name and color accordingly. You can take help from your book also. And about rainbow we will write. What we will write? A rainbow has 7 colors. Okay, so this way a rainbow has 7 colors. We will write. Fine. So with this activity we are going to start this chapter. Hope you will enjoy because all children, I know all children likes to draw and color. If the chapter is started with activity of like this type of drawing and coloring, then you will like it, I know. So this is homework also ma'am has given. Draw all these heavenly bodies, color it properly and show me in the likeness. So now in next exercise we will read the chapter, we will know more about them and learn the new words also so that you can attempt any questions easily. Okay, so this is your turn to observe the videos, to do the activity, and then we will proceed to reading and learning new words. Clear?